Take a closer look. A camel's courtship behavior can seem very strange. During mating season, a male camel inflates a pink sac from his mouth. The soft sac swells and hangs out as he shows it off. To an observer, it looks almost unbelievable, but this is a unique part of camel courtship. When a female camel sees the display, a larger sac signals a stronger and healthier male. That usually means better genes. It also improves his chances of winning her attention. But showing the sac alone is not enough. The male often splashes himself with urine. He mixes it with scent gland secretions. This creates a powerful personal scent. He rubs against the female and spreads the smell. The scent becomes part of his courtship display. If a rival male appears, the camels may fight fiercely for mating rights. They can even use their heavy bodies and humps to shove each other. In the end, only the winning male earns the chance to mate.